Hi guys, welcome to Unify Learning. Let's learn together. Guys, frequently we are hearing that heat waves in Europe and drought situation in Europe and China in the news. Let's see why this situation occurred and what are the reasons. What is El Nino and ENSO? Whoever is new to our channel, please subscribe to Unify Learning. Without getting late, let's get into the video. Guys, you can see the temperatures in Europe. So most of the parties above 35 degrees Celsius. You can see that area enclosed in the green circle is more than 75% and it has temperature more than 35 degrees, and some part of the Europe is also experiencing temperature above 40 degrees Celsius also. You can see the situation in Europe and China. The reason behind these extreme conditions of weather, that is the heat waves and drought conditions, is El Nino. So what is El Nino? It is a complex weather system that appears once every 3 to 7 years, bringing drought, floods and other weather extremes to different parts of the world. The definition for El Nino is the periodic development of warm ocean currents along the coast of Peru as a temporary replacement of cold Peruvian current. Let us try to understand this definition. You can see the Peru in South America. The coast of Peru, the area highlighted, is having cold currents during the normal year. But coming to El Nino year, the cold currents were replaced with the warm currents. But what are these currents? The ocean currents are the currents or streams of water flowing constantly on the ocean surface in definite direction. Generally, the currents are of two types, cold water and hot water currents. These cold water currents are developed at the polar and they move towards the equator, and warm currents are developed at the equator and move towards the pole. If you see the difference between normal year and El Nino year, you can easily understand from this picture. And this system involves oceanic and atmospheric phenomena with the appearance of warm currents. These currents increases the temperature of the Peruvian coast by 10 degrees Celsius. This results in the distortion of equatorial atmospheric circulation, the irregularities in the evaporation of seawater, and the reduction in the amount of planktons, which further reduces the number of fish in the sea. For better understanding of the system, let us see the major pressure belts and wind system of the world. Even though the picture looks very complicated, these winds can be broadly divided into three types: permanent winds, seasonal winds, and local winds. Coming to permanent winds, the trade winds, westerlies, and easterlies are the permanent winds. These blow constantly throughout the year in particular direction only. Coming to the seasonal winds, these winds change their direction in different seasons. For example, monsoons in India. Coming to local winds, these blow only during a particular period of the day or year in small area. In India, we have Lu in the northern area. Lu means hot and dry local winds. Till now, we have seen El Nino, and let's see the ENSO also. ENSO means El Nino Southern Oscillation. In simple, it is the periodic change in the pressure between Eastern South Pacific Ocean and tropical Eastern Indian Ocean. This El Nino effect is the reason for extreme conditions of weather, that is heat waves and drought conditions. El Nino is a periodic process and it affects different parts of the world. Now it is affecting Europe and China. This is the video on heat waves and drought condition in Europe and China, El Nino and ENSO effects. Thanks for watching. Please
subscribe and click on the bell, like and comment on the video.